In this video, we will explore how Odoo 19 reporting helps compare product performance, uncover hidden margins, and instantly identify where your business can grow.
For any restaurant, tracking profits and expenses while finding opportunities for improvement is critical to staying competitive. Today we are going to analyze our recent sales data by comparing the performance of two of our signature burgers. The classic cheeseburger is our top revenue driver since opening, but our newly launched spicy chicken sandwich is already a close second. Let's look at the numbers to compare their pricing and sales volume. We can see the price for chicken sandwich is much higher than for classic cheeseburger, but the classic burger has higher sold quantity. The revenue also has dramatic number. The cheeseburger brings $2,000 in total, where the chicken sandwich is the only $1,800. To get the full picture of our monthly performance, let's look at our total margin. Navigate to the sales module, click on reporting and then sales. Let's switch over to the pivot view for the clean spreadsheet style layout. Next, click the measures button and select margin. Now, this might surprise you, but despite lower sale volume, the spicy chicken sandwich generated a higher total margin by $466. With just a few clicks in Odoo, you instantly know exactly which high margin products to focus on. In the fast-paced restaurant industry, real-time insights are everything. With Odoo 19 sales report, you get a beautiful, structured breakdown of your data. Whether you are conducting a cash drawer audit or handling your daily financial reconciliation, Odoo brings all key metrics right to your fingerprints. In point of sale, just head over to the restaurant shop cart, click the three-dot menu icon, and select Orders right under Reporting. Let's pull out some data for May 25th through 26th. Here's how to accurately read this report. You will notice that the 15% tax is not calculated against a grand total. This happened because some of our menu items are tax exempt. Odoo automatically separated. Our taxable items total $61.45. Take 15% of that and you get $9.22. Add them together and you got $70.67. That's the only portion of our sales that gets the 15% tax. Moving down, the next section provides a clear breakdown of any refunds processed during the restaurant session, followed by a complete overview of our payment methods.
And with Odoo 19 reporting, you can easily use your daily sales data to understand what products bring more profit and make better decisions for your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips.